Jiada Magnet was founded in 1998. JDM has two independent property rights of magnetic material production base. Dongguan Jiada Magnetic Material Industrial Park covers an area of about 35,000 square meters. Jiangxi Jiayuan Magnetic Material Industrial Park covers an area of 140,000 square meters. Under the rare earth sintering plant, high-performance magnetic material processing plant, environmental protection electroplating factory, magnetic assembly factory, the whole industrial chain supporting one-stop service. JDM are committed to the development and supply of high-quality Ndfeb magnets and various precision magnetic components. Now we have two customer service centers in Dongguan and Suzhou. Reliable product quality from the complete guarantee system, relying on advanced management concepts and perfect management systems. Pass in succession, ISO 9001-2001, 5 Quality System Certification, ISO 14001-2004 Environmental Management System Certification, ISO 45001-2018 Occupational Health and Safety Management System Certification, ITF 16949-2016 Quality Management System Certification. We can help you solve the magnetic insufficient plating is not environmentally friendly, production capacity cannot keep up, price instability and many other problems. Welcome to visit us at any time to discuss cooperation.